What if something scientists just pulled off in a lab should not be possible, but it happened anyway? Imagine sending information from one place to another without anything physically traveling between them. No wire, no signal, no particle moving through space, just gone here. Instantly known there. That is not a metaphor. That is not science fiction. That is what just happened across 100 kilometers of real optical fiber. Quantum teleportation just broke its own record. And if you have ever watched Star Trek and wondered, you need to hear this. Whether the transporter beam could ever be real, you need to hear this. Here's where the story begins. For decades, physicists have been chasing a phenomenon called quantum entanglement. Two particles become linked at the quantum level in a way that defies every instinct your brain has about how the world works. You measure one particle here and the other over there instantly reflects it. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, but he meant it as a criticism. Turns out, he was just early. Scientists have been entangling particles in labs for years, but the distance was always the wall. You could do it across a table, then a room, then a city block. Each jump was a milestone. Then came a distance of 100 kilometers. Researchers successfully teleported quantum information across that distance using entangled photons. That is not a theoretical result. That is a measured, verified, peer-reviewed outcome. The quantum state was transmitted. Now, before your mind jumps straight to the transporter room, let us be precise. Quantum teleportation does not move matter. It transfers. Quantum information, the state of a particle. Think of it like faxing a blueprint rather than mailing. The object itself, the difference, matters. But so does what this makes possible. This breakthrough unlocks a new architecture, a quantum internet. Traditional networks send bits, ones and zeros. Quantum systems use qubits, and qubits can exist in multiple states at once. Combined with entanglement, you get a network where information cannot be intercepted without being destroyed. Security is physics. So what are the stakes? Consider every encrypted system we rely on right now, like banking, medical records, or power grids. The quantum internet is the defensive architecture that makes our most critical systems unbreakable in a post-quantum world. This milestone matters because scale is the game. We need quantum repeaters to extend across cities, then continents. Research teams in China, Europe, and the US are all racing. A satellite-based network is already partially operational in China. When you see the first stable city-to-city link, that is when the transition from a lab to infrastructure truly begins. Every technology that reshaped your life, the internet or GPS, will look like an obscure lab result before it became invisible. What are you going to do with the awareness that you are watching the next one being built in real time? The people that are paying attention now will win 100%. Over 100 kilometers, instant, verified, real. The spooky action Einstein doubted just crossed the distance he never imagined. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.